Oh la la, guys! I'm telling you, man, this is something that you cannot avoid. I mean, you can't avoid this. Okay, I will show you in a second. But before that, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of water from my Casper Maxi mug. Yeah, everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we look at market performance. Wink, wink. Wink, wink. We look at market performance for the past 24 hours. After that, we look at prices in details. And right after that, we check on our positions. Are we buying Lambos yet? But before that, guys, man, sometimes it feels, listen, it is not like I give some people that attention, okay? But sometimes you are forcing somebody, to prove themselves, okay? For weeks now, I don't even know, because the first time, I usually just talk about Casper before, and then I realized something. When one guy said, oh, you are not showing us charts, you're only just telling this price and you're just doing this and that. And I go, okay, I think he has a point. If I want to have a millionaire journey, I want to share my journey with you guys, I think it will be fair if I show you guys my cheat code, my charts, which again is not a financial advice. You can look at it and you can decide if you want to go with it. Okay, so since then I started showing you guys my Bitcoin chart to see every day. Okay, because we already know, unfortunately, Bitcoin is what is leading the markets, whether we like it or not. I'm praying, man, the day will come when Casper will be leading the market, and you guys will see. Okay, so that's the reason I'm praying for this. Okay, and again, you still have people that come to my channel and try to FUD every time, and this is just like, sometimes a lot of them I ignore. Other times I look at it and I go, I think this guy need to be put. Some people need to be put on their spot. Okay, and like that's what I'm about to do today. Okay, again, you got people who can't understand that the market does not go up in a straight line. It does not happen that way. Market goes up, takes breathers. Again, I will explain it again, because in this world we are not the same. Okay, we are not. People are different. There is people who have Casper at 1 cent, and then when Casper hits 7 cents, they have made a lot of money to them, and they will sell, which again is not a problem if you sell, okay, as long as you make money. The problem is when you sell at a loss. That is what like a bunch of people doing. Okay, that's where the problem is. Okay, therefore, some people, 7 cents, he's gonna sell. Others, maybe 12 cents is his target. When we hit there, he's gonna sell. People like me who think and also consider Casper as generational wealth, I am not selling my Casper, not even at $1. I'm not doing that. I am acquiring more. Like I said, I'm mining it. I have it on leverage. I have it on spot. I want to have 5 million Casper coins. That's what I'm doing. Okay, everybody's different, and you're about to see it. When it gets to 12 cents, some people will sell, make their money, and after that, they will close shop, and that will reflect in price, because you're going to see price go up there and then come down a little bit and take from there again. It can start to go. Like again, if you look at the sentiments on Casper community, a lot of people are eyeing that $1. By the time we get to $1, price is going to hit it, come back down, and then find the support and keep on going. Okay, that is what's happening. Like I told you guys, okay, if you do it, I told you from May 5th marked the beginning of the $10 journey for Casper, because Casper right now is setting itself up. Okay, it is setting itself up for being the hub for micro payments. That's what it is setting itself up to, something that was designed for Bitcoin, but Bitcoin couldn't do it. The dying one came, Ethereum, they tried to do it, but they couldn't. You have Crashilandia came along, they tried and they couldn't, because again, you have the one with the big cockroach, Sui came and nothing. You have other people that claim to be fast, like Hyperliquid and all those people. They try, but they can't do it. So far, everybody and their grandmama, they have found out that Casper is the only one that can do this. Because one, all of them who were laughing at Casper solving the trilemma, okay, which again, I call it the quadrilemma, okay? The people call trilemma, I call it quadrilemma, because a perfect chain need to be, able to interoperate with other chains, okay? And Casper is the only one that has that ability. So you about to see it. Casper is setting itself up, and I told you again, from May 5th, start looking at Casper's price. And what have we had? Casper is on an uptrend. Up takes a breather, up takes a breather, up takes a breather, and that's what it is happening right now. Development is taking place. You have seen Zelo Swap just had the audit came out, and they say it's perfect. There's no problems with it. Ecosystem is building, it's coming, but yet you are going to have people coming to my channel and talking about, yeah, you are wrong again. And I start laughing. How am I wrong when I showed you my charts? And I told you, again, Bitcoin leads the market. Pay attention to Bitcoin. Casper is in an uptrend. Sooner than later, you will see this thing is going to beat all odds. Again, I will show you the chart in a moment, okay? But if you don't understand, this is the guy I'm talking about, okay? Let me bring him out. Where's my YouTube channel? Okay, let me go to my comments and not my recent video. Let me see. Where's my other video? Let me bring this video, okay? Let me bring this video out, and I'll bring this comment. Unless if you deleted it, because that's what they usually do, right? When you put them down, they will delete the comment. Let me see. Quant is gone. Same. Casper $6. And let's see. Is it this video? No, not this one. Sorry, the one yesterday's video. That's what I'm trying to bring out. Comments. Not this one. Not this video. This one. Okay. What is the comments? Come on, don't delete it. Please be there. Please be there. Here, see? Read this comment. This one. Read this comment. You see? You was wrong again, buddy. Wink, wink, gas is going down. Wink, wink again. Oh my God, these people are clowns. Seriously. Big clowns. Now let me show you something. Now let's go. Let's do this. Let's go here, and again let's do not this one. I need to bring out my Bitcoin. Whatever. Okay. Anyways, look at Casper. I'm gonna take you on the daily. Okay. Look. Okay, if you know how to look at charts, this price right here, is it higher than this one? Anyone who has eyes, is it higher? As you guys can see, Casper is in an uptrend. And again, look, let me zoom it out. let me zoom it out. Okay, what do you see? Can anybody look at it? What do you see? You see, again, some people just don't pay attention. This is why I call them green candle chasers, okay? Look, the price here, is it higher than this? The price here, is it higher than this? What do you see? And now, if you look, okay, if you start to look, where is it? Okay, look at my purple line. What did I tell you guys my purple line was going to do? price is gonna go, and then it's gonna come down until we get to the green one, right? And everybody else who is not paying attention to this, okay, look again. Let me show you another thing. BTC, because so many times I have said it here, Bitcoin leads the market. Whatever Bitcoin does, all coins are going to do. Okay, let me go down a little bit on the 4 hours. Should do. Bam. What did I tell you? Go back on my videos. I mean, once we go past my purple line, what is going to happen? I told you, right? Price is going to go sideways or drop once we go past my purple line. Just like I've been telling you in the past. Once we go the green line, price is going to pump. Once we pass my green line, price is going These guys are just clowns. Seriously. Clowns. Again, look, it is not me just making up things. Again, I told you, price is gonna fall. I told you, okay? Don't expect Bitcoin to go up until, again, June 17th. 16, 17, thereabout, you're about to see the price start to recover and take off, right? And again, like when I said this, I told you, you pay attention to Bitcoin, you will be able to make decisions on altcoins, because Bitcoin, unfortunately, is leading everything. And right now, Casper is beginning to have that traction, because the ecosystem is coming. Ecosystem is building up. Things are happening, okay? And again, steps on investing. Hey, my friend, you who was commenting, okay? If you missed that video, I will say it again. That's one thing about me. I will not get tired of repeating myself. If that will save somebody $1, if that will make somebody $10, I will not get tired of repeating myself. I am not like the other YouTubers. I'm not like that. I told you, this is my millionaire journey. And in my millionaire journey, I'm looking for like-minded people. If you had entered that trade when Casper was at 5 cents, when I told you that, hey, from now on, it's upwards we're going, you will be in profit today. Stop chasing candles, my friend. Stop chasing green candles. I'll be straight honest with you. This is not the channel for it. Here, I'm not into chasing candles. If that's what you want to do, I will recommend, okay, with capital letters, Crypto John. Hey, read my mouth. Crypto John. That guy is the green candle channel. Go with him. He will tell you to switch your layer 1 to a meme coin. Go ahead. Go over there. If that doesn't work for you, the crazy one, the one that went crazy live, BitBoy, I think his channel is still up. Go look for him. That is what I would tell you. But in my channel, my friend, we don't chase green candles. We anticipate the moves. And when you anticipate a move, you can make a lot of money. You think like, yeah, wink doesn't work for you. More power to you, brother. I can show you a lot of people who wink is making them a lot of money. Like right now, I would not advise people to short the market in a bull run. I wouldn't. But those of you who are daredevil, once we get to my purple line, yeah, you can put a short if you want to, but that is not, I would not advise you to do that in a bull run. I will tell you when I start to short Bitcoin, and you guys will see it. You guys will see when it happens. Just like right now, I had another guy who DM'd me. He was saying nothing will happen in July and August, and I told him, I said, okay, that's okay by me. Maybe you have your sources and I have my sources. So far, mine has been working perfectly. So far, mine is working. It is going perfectly. And if you don't see it, I don't know what to tell you. A lot of people are still in the same thing. Money is going to trickle down. Or Bitcoin is going to go up. And then money is going to come from Bitcoin to altcoins. Okay, check this out right quick, okay? Let's see, BTC dominance, Bitcoin dominance, okay? Look at this. This is the Bitcoin dominance, and I like to take the daily. That way you can see it way better, okay? People, I don't know. People sometimes don't pay attention to this. Okay, some people are saying, yeah, once Bitcoin dominance comes back down to close to 60%, and then you are going to see it, and altcoins are going to rally, and this and that is going to happen, and blah 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 is going to do. Again, this is the start. Okay, let me bring out my arrow out right quick. Okay, one, you guys remember in December, Bitcoin dominance in December fell to 54. Okay, in December, before we enter 2025, fell to 54. Did altcoins rally? Nope. Did Bitcoin rally? Nope. Price came down. Again, now watch this. It came up, started climbing again, right? It started climbing until we got there. And everybody else and their grandmama was telling you the same thing. And I told you, nope, it ain't gonna happen. Because look, it went that high, okay? And they were telling what was going on YouTube. Oh yeah, now when it falls, altcoins and this and that. And I told you, it's not going to happen, okay? As Bitcoin climbed, guess what? Selected coins were climbing. Kaspa was with it. Quant was going. The selected utility coins were going up with it. And what happened? Bitcoin dominance fell off the cliff. Once it fell, altcoins and altcoins, and I kept telling you, it's not going to happen. Bitcoin price fell, altcoins fell, selected altcoins also fell with Bitcoin. And what happened next? Dominance started going up again. And what is happening now? Selected altcoins are going up in price with Bitcoin. Okay? And still, you get people who don't really, they don't pay attention. I told you, this bull run, I don't even know what language to use anymore. Parce que personne ne me comprend pas. I don't know. People are not understanding. La gente no entiende lo que les quiero decir. No entienden. People are just sitting here chasing green candles. And again, that is the reason I like my channel. That's the reason I like my community. Because here, we are focused. Okay? Not a tunnel vision. We are focused. You being focused is going to lead you to that millionaire journey. It's going to lead you to that generational wealth. Like I told you, we're about to look at the prices in details in a second. Okay? I told you, pay attention to things like Quant. Quant, when he was doing his thing, everybody else was, and their grandmama, they were calling me a fool for it, right? Everybody was calling me a fool for it. And I told you, specifically people like you, my friend, who left that comment. When you do your research, I'm not your financial advisor. All I can do is point and then wink. Point right there. Before you invest in a coin, my friend, you look at the asset. Okay, I'm talking to you right now as a good friend. I'm not trying to bash you. I'm not trying to say any bad thing, okay? I'm trying to talk to you as a friend, as somebody, as part of my community, okay? I hope you will still be in my community and we'll all, when time comes, you will be like, yeah, that crazy guy was right. I hope you stay. But anyways, it's up to you. But I'm going to talk to you like a friend, okay? Before you invest, you look at the project. I'm going to take Casper, for example. Before I invested, like again, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm going to tell you what I did and how I do things. Okay, maybe you want to copy, maybe you don't want to. Before I invested in Casper, I researched it. Who is the team? Okay, I found out Jonathan. Jonathan was part of Ethereum. I've researched why did he leave Ethereum. Okay, and what I found from there is like, yeah, Vitalik and the raccoon guy and a bunch of them, they were after the money. And Jonathan was after perfection. That's what he was after. Okay? That led me like, okay, he's somebody I could trust. Because if you do a research on something for 10 years and you don't release it, now you're coming to release, that means you are really sure of what you researched for over 10 years. Okay? That was the first part. Second part, what are they trying to accomplish? Okay? and you start looking at, the thing that Bitcoin was designed to do is what they're trying to do. Okay, is it possible? Because Bitcoin is slow, it's not as scalable and this and that. Is it possible? Then you start looking at Casper differently, comparing to Bitcoin. Slow, this way. This guy, fast. Okay. Scalable, this guy, yeah. Secure, both of them are secure. Okay. Now you start looking at the world in a different angle. Okay, start looking at them in a different angle. Okay, what's the biggest thing on Casper? Micropayments. Okay. Bitcoin couldn't do it. This guy with their properties, yeah, I think they can pull it off. They can become micropayment system. Okay, that checks out. Now you start looking who is behind all this stuff. KII, KEF, Casplex. You start looking at them, you start going in details on them, and you find out KII since 2001 they have been trying this carbon credit thing, they have been trying this gigawatt thing, they have been trying this monetary system with the cash union thing, and then you start looking, okay, if they pull it off and put it on Casper, just the carbon credit is trillions and trillions of assets. Wow. Okay. You go over there, the cash union, trillions and trillions of, okay, I like where this is going. You start looking at it that way, right? And then you look again. The first thing that brought me into it, the micropayments. Micropayments is trillions and trillions of dollars. Okay, I look at that and I go, okay, I'm in. Now, not without checking the risk. Every asset has a risk. Okay, depends on your risk tolerance. That's why when I invested in Kaspa, I first like, you know what? It's just $700. And that's what I put in at the start. Okay, if I wasn't that convinced, if I was like as convinced as I am today, I would have put 10 grand into it. But I put $700. I like, if I lose $700, I lose $700. Today, as you guys can see, it did attract me. I put my money in it. Now, the next step after that, let the team do their thing. That thing that convinced me that Casper is going to run, let them do it. And now, as you can see, it has started to happen. It is slowly coming out. Slowly coming out. It's happening slowly. Igra Lab with their testnet, Casplex with this. Soon enough, you hear about Sparkle. Before you know it, bam, it will happen. And then that step that you are chasing, with the green candles is going to eventually happen, and which is Lambo. Understand? I am talking to you as a friend, my friend. I'm talking to you that way. That if you go do things the way others are doing it, and again, go look at statistics. It's not just me talking. Go look at statistics. Meme coins. People, oh yeah, meme coin is here. Everybody and their grandmama runs into it. And what usually happens? Those of them that got into meme coins at $10,000 market cap, as soon as that thing reached 300 million, they have made a lot of money. And a lot of them do remember, they know that this thing has no value. They sell, price drop, and you are get left holding the bag. And not just meme coins, a bunch of these projects are like that. Again, that's why in my channel, I always tell you guys, any layer one that is a proof of stake, stay the hell away from it. Stay the hell away from it. I always say it. And it has proven time to time that people get left holding the hot potato. You already seen it. A bunch of projects that I have covered on this channel. You have seen it, right? So yeah, my friend, when I tell you that Casper is gonna run, I don't have a tunnel vision. It's there. Check from May 5th till today. Higher lows. That's what we're doing. And the market, my friend, the market does not go up in a straight line. It takes breathers. And again, before you, I give you that my big cheat code on my Bitcoin chart. Go and look at it again. I don't know what chart you are looking at that you think that it's not moving, but oh well, that is you, not me. That's your problem, not mine, right? Anyways, yeah, let's leave that on the side, because again, I am so excited today ZeloSwap passed the test. A lot of projects are coming on, and very soon we are going to have the Casplex mainnet go live. Okay, I know I've been telling you guys I am going to show you how to participate in the Casplex, but actually, yeah, I think I'm a little late on that. IGRA token is the one that I want to participate, because there's going to be an airdrop, and I want to see if I can get some of those tokens. Like I told you guys, IGRA, I am going to buy them. Whether they do good or they do bad, I'm going to buy those coins when they come out. I don't know if Sparkle is going to have one. I'm also going to buy them. If Casplex is going to have tokens, I don't know. I'm also going to buy if they do have them. But anyways, guys, again, please pay attention. Don't be tunnel vision. Don't do that. Pay attention. I try to help as much people as possible, because again, this is my millionaire journey. Okay, this is my millionaire journey. There is no bigger help that anybody can give you than showing you a working chart on Bitcoin. There's no bigger help than that, right? So yeah, look at my chart. If it has been working, tell me. If it didn't work, tell me. Let me see. Which again, the proof is there, okay, to support my argument. But anyways, guys, let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market. Like I told you, macroeconomy, right? And people are still not believing it. What are you seeing? Anyways, yeah, let's go look at the market in details. Okay, let's take my good friend Crypto Bubbles. Bam! What do you see? Anyways, yeah, let's go right quick. Let's start from with the King, KAS. Here we go. For the past hour, Casper is down 0.3%, 6.2% down on the day, 1.8% up on the week, 32.3% down on the month, and 48.6% down on the year. Pay attention to that yearly number. Sitting at the market cap of $2.21 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $61.03 million. You see, the volume has started to creep up, right? Anyways, now, if you look at, let's go look at Quant, the banker's coin, QNT, and we have the coin a lot of people love to hate. What do we have? 0.4% up the last hour, 0.9% down on the day, 0.8% up on the week, 18% up on the month, and 38.9% up on the year. Sitting at the market cap of $1.7 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $31.22 million, right? Now we go look at Cubic, high risk, high reward. We have here 0.1% down the last hour, 5.4% down on the day, 6.9% up on the week, 0.3% down on the month, and 51% down on the year. You see, that number again is dropping from 60% or whatever it was. We are 51 now, sitting at the market cap of $180.04 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $2.68 million. Now we go look at Jasmine, the Japanese Bitcoin, which again, there is no point looking at, because you already know what is happening in that camp, because Bitcoin is doing its thing. For the past hour, we are laying flat. Okay, on the day, we are sitting at 8.6% down, 0.6% up on the week, 30.4% down on the month, and 60% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $679.97 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $40.86 million. Okay, now let's go look at the big orange guy. Okay, Bitcoin, 0.2% up the last hour, 1.7% down on the day. See, it is the I told you price was going to go down, right? But anyways, we have here 4% up on the week, 3.4% up on the month, and 59.8% up in the year, sitting at the market cap of $2.14 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $32.95 billion. Okay, now let's go look at prices in details right quick. Okay, we're going to start here. If you look, the correlation, Dixie going down, Bitcoin, yeah, this is not good. One of them has to give. Okay, let's see how it ends up. Now let's start here with our big friend Kaspa, the King, KAS. What do we got going on? And I will grab this. And let's start first. This is for the day traders, right? If you're a day trader, this is for you. For me, I'm not a day trader. I just try to look at stuff. Anyways, as you guys can see, Casper is going sideways on the hourly. Okay, we've been going from almost 9 cents to 8.3 cents. That's what we've been bouncing into. 9 cents, 8.3 cents, 9 cents, 8.3 cents. Right now, it looks like Casper wants to form that double bottom again. Okay, so yeah, that's what we are doing on the hourly. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, you will see the same. Like I told you guys yesterday, ribbon is curving upwards. It is squeezing, like really squeezing and curving upwards. That's what's happening right now. So yeah, as you guys can see, where's my arrow right quick? As you guys can see, come on, we have here higher lows, right? So yeah, we are going, and the ribbon curving upwards and squeezing, really squeezing. So yeah, pay attention to the price, okay? Something big is coming. If you look at it on the daily, you can also see the same thing, okay? Now, my friend, who can't see who can see it right? Bull flag, price went up, came back, retest the previous resistance, okay? Because we couldn't break on the daily, finally broke out of it, came back, retest, and price is going upwards, okay? Give it some time. We are gonna be there, and this bull flag will actually break out to the targets which we are looking at, okay? So yeah, everything is happening according to plan, okay? So again, purple line, and I told you, purple line is gonna get, and it's gonna come back down. So like you can see, everything is going according to plan, right? So if you look at it on the weekly, look on the weekly, and let me zoom it out a little bit so that you can see. See on the weekly, again, that mega bull flag is getting formed, okay? It's a huge bull flag. See, we went there. Now bull flag is forming. Sooner than later, this thing is going to break out. Once it does break, first target is going to be here, okay, at that 15 cents. After that, next target 18 cents. After that, we have 19 cents, and then the all-time high. We already know by the time you get at all-time high, this thing is going to go into price discovery mode. That's what is going to happen. So yeah, pay attention, okay? Don't be listening to this like, my friend, don't chase green candles. You're going to lose a lot of money if you do that. If you're patient enough and you know how to scale your trades and do your trades the right way, you are going to make you more than enough money. Trust me, my wink. Anyways, guys, let's go find the QNT, okay, the banker's coin. And if you see, there you go, we're on the hourly, okay? Like I told you guys, I said, in every trade, okay, every trade, before the trade, during the trade, and after the trade. Again, that is what I do. It's not financial advice, okay? Quant right now is in the after trade, and I told you, watch 118, okay, and scale it up, because you might get 118 and then do this, switch down and then start to go. So price came to 118 and went a little lower. I think it's like 115 or something like that. And right now, if you look at it closely, again, look at quant. See, ribbon on the hourly is curving. This is the first sign. Second sign, if you can look at it closely, you will see that quant is forming a W. See, this W, if we go above 118, like I told you, confirm it, is going to start running upwards. Okay, so again, look at it on the 4 hourly, and what do you see? And I told you, look at the ribbon. Despite all this falling, ribbon is still going up, squeezing. Look at it squeezing. Again, I told you 125 was the target. We got there, okay, came down. Now what do you see? Price is trying to make that move off again to go retry that 125. Okay, so yeah, if I did not have a trade, I would have opened a trade right now, scale it up, drop my liquidation to probably what, 80, 70 dollars. I don't know how you trade, but that's how I trade. Okay, if you look at it on the daily, you will see the same thing, just like I told you guys. 125, we're going to get rejection. Now it came down. Now we're looking at it. Despite all the bearish, look at it. Look at the ribbon, up full mode. Look at the moving average, up full mode. So yeah, this thing is getting again. See, one day, second day, probably from here you're about to start seeing it to go retry that 125 again. But all that is going to depend on what Bitcoin is doing. And like I told you, I don't think it's going to do this until probably June 17. That's when you're about to start seeing these things start to go. Maybe now we're going to have this sideways price action. Okay, for everybody else who is not paying attention, again, if you look at it on the weekly, you will see this. Okay, price targets are there. We met the first one, 125. Once we break this, turn that into support, next target is going to be that 151. Okay, once we turn that into support, next one, 164. We turn that into support, next one, 176. And that 176, my friends, is going to finish this bull, like this W that we are forming. Okay, if you measure that W from the bottom, okay, to the highest point, okay, the bottom being here at $50 to the highest point to that 176, okay, you take a breakout point, put it there, this is going to lead you to $230. That's where it's going to lead you. And once we close a daily candle above that price, my friends, Quant is looking for that 250, and after that we're looking for the all-time high, $400. Okay, so I've been saying this for the longest, and I know a lot of people are not paying attention to it. People are looking for green candles, but I'm telling you, pay attention to Quant in July and August. You are about to see Quant do things that nobody was expecting, and don't say I did not warn you. Okay, now looking at Jasmine, although there's no point because Bitcoin is doing its thing, Jasmine, I'm pretty sure, is also going to be doing the same thing. Looking at Jasmine, see, that's what I told you. Bitcoin drops, Jasmine drops. I don't know, I can't really explain why, but Jasmine is very strongly correlated to Bitcoin. But again, Jasmine will do twice of what Bitcoin does. So far, as you can see, we got to the same level. It is using that as support. So yeah, we're just gonna watch what Bitcoin does to be able to say what Jasmine does. So yeah, even so, you see the ribbon is still curving upwards and it's still squeezing. It's still squeezing out. So yeah, I would not. Well, you about to see. You'll see by yourself. Okay, so I told you, once Bitcoin starts to get that 109, 110,000, you will see Jasmine run like a mad cow, and you will see that happen. Okay, if you look at it on the daily, you will see that here again the same situation, just like Casper was. It's an uptrend. Okay, so yeah, just pay attention to Bitcoin and you'll be able to trade Jasmine. The target right now is 2.3 cents. Once we close 2.3 cents, you're about to see Jasmine go to that 3.8 cents. Then we'll be looking at the 4.5 cents. After that, we'll be looking at 7 to 9 cents, and then so on and so forth. Yeah, it's the bullish momentum is there. Just wait and you will see. Okay, now let's go look at let's see again, so that people who don't pay attention, I will give you again. I know I already showed you guys this chart, and I would not get tired of showing it to you until you pay attention. Okay, I've already shown you guys this chart so many times, and yet people are not paying attention. I told you, we go past my purple line, guess what? Price is gonna drop, and exactly that's what happened, right? Again, I know people are paying attention, trying to look at the next trade. If you want to, again, for me, I would not recommend entering a long position right now, because Bitcoin is in the middle, almost the last leg of the bull run. Okay, I don't know how much money you're going to put in to be able to make money. That's why I'm saying it. Yes, you can make some, but I don't think you will make a lot of money out of it. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm giving you again June 17th. Once we get there, you will see the market is going to run. It's going to start to go up. Okay, don't say I didn't tell you, but that's exactly what's going to happen. We're almost there. Today is the 12th, right? So 5 more days. So probably by the start of this weekend, you will start to see the price start to take off. And don't say I didn't tell you. That's how I usually say it, and people are not paying attention. Okay, people are not paying attention to it. Anyways, guys, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at my positions right quick. Yeah, it's raining. I have to go back to work. I did not even check on my Uncle Tommy today. But oh well, probably tomorrow we will do that. Okay, so let's go look at my positions. Okay, but before we do that, guys, please, I will say it again: stay away from leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. In my millionaire journey, I would rather miss entry, but losing money. Losing money, my friends, is not something I can co-sign. It's not in this channel, not in my journey. We are not doing that here. Here we are here to make money, not to lose it. So please, if you don't know what you're doing, do not get into leverage trading. If you feel like you want to get into it, okay, down below I do have the links. BYDFi, which I do recommend for beginners. BYDFi is very, very friendly for beginners. Okay, they are not going to give you as much money as the other ones, but it's very beginners friendly. I also have Fimex. Fimex, yeah, a little bit, but Fimex you have to make sure you have trading fees on the side, or else they are going to close your position. We have Wix, and we also have Margex. Okay, sign up, follow their deposit requirements, and you are going to get free money. I think Wix Exchange right now is giving up to $30,000 on Wix, but you need to follow the link below. If you don't, and you don't meet their requirements, you're not, their deposit requirements, you're not going to get the money. As simple as that. Now, if you go do leverage trading without experience, they have that nice apartment in Rec City for you. That's what will happen, and you will be crying for it. Okay, so please, once you get the money, take $100 out. Practice. Even though the market is going down, whatever is happening, just practice. It will give you a feeling, when to open up, when to close, when to add to it, when not to add to it. Start. Once you learn how to do it, then you can venture with big money. Because if you don't practice, I cannot teach you how to trade. No amount of books or whatever, nothing. That's why you see my trades. My trades look different, right? My indicators look different. You play you play around with it until you find what works for you. I played around with my indicators until I found what works with me. So yeah, please, you need to practice. Anyways, now let's go quick. We're gonna start first with my BYDFi. There, you guys know I am trading King Kaspa, and I am also trading Quant. Okay, let me refresh that out, and you guys can see today I am up $14,600. Okay, if you look at my contracts, you will see, let it load up. Okay, you will see on my Kaspa I am down 56%, which is $5,000. On my Quant, I am up 20%, which is $2,100. Okay, yeah, you can pause the video if that's what you want to do, and you can check out my numbers. Right now, let's go to the next one, which is going to be on Fimex. On Fimex, you guys know I am trading King Kaspa and the Japanese Bitcoin Jasmine. Let me rephrase that out. And let's see. Okay, as you guys can see today I am still up $7,700. Okay, if you look at my contracts, let it load up. Okay, you will see on my Jasmine I am down 75%, which is $8,200, and on my Casper I am down 6%, which is $270. Okay, so for me, it's natural, nothing bad, it's still going, because again I told you July, August we're gonna look at these positions and you guys will see. Anyways, now last but not the least, oh yeah, you can pause it if you want to look at my numbers. Okay, last but not the least, we go to Wix. On Wix Exchange, you guys know I am in a competition with a friend of mine. I'm using Quant and he's using the Crashilandia. We're trying to see who's going to make more money. Anyways, my overall today, I am up $6,400. Again, as you guys know, the market is doing its thing, and yeah, whatever it happens. You see, like I told you, these guys are not playing around. Anyways, now let's go look at my contract. If you can see, you will see that here on my Quant, I am still up 203%, which is $2,700. Okay, and if you look at my Caspa, I am up 6%, which is $113. Okay, you can pause this and yeah, you can look at the numbers if that's what you wish to do. Okay, so anyways, again, you have to, like I did recommend you guys, Go find that book, Psychology of Money, and you will understand even more details what I am doing. Okay, I am going to show you these 3 accounts in 6 figures, and you will see. Okay, that being said, guys, thank you for checking out my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. I am trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, don't forget to like and comment. I am very interested in knowing what you think about everything that we talked about right now. Okay, and also don't forget to share so that other millionaire minded attitude like you and yours truly, we can see these videos and the family can grow. You never know what you're going to learn from a stranger, right? Just share the video and let's see. Anyways, guys, please know exactly what you want. Don't have tunnel vision. Okay, don't go chasing green candles because you are going to get wrecked. That's how easy that is. That being said, guys, I gotta go to work right quick, or else I won't be able to buy more Casper. You understand, right? Thank you again very much for watching, and until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourselves. Okay, bye bye.